Welcome to ELECTROONEXT YouTube channel. In this video, I will talk about NE555 Timer IC, complete details, working principle, and advantages. The NE555 Timer IC is one of the most popular and versatile integrated circuits used in electronics. It is mainly used for generating precise time delays, oscillations, and pulse signals. Basic overview. The NE555 is an 8-pin IC that can operate in 3 main modes. Monostable one-shot, Astable oscillator, Bistable flip-flop. It works with a wide voltage range, for 0.5 volts to 15 volts. Internal working principle. Inside the NE555, there are 3 main parts. Number 1. Voltage divider. Number 2. Consists of 3 equal resistors, 5k ohms each. Number 3. Divides supply voltage into 1 to 3 volts VCC, 2 to 3 volts VCC. 2 comparators. Compare input voltages with reference levels. Lower comparator compares with 1 to 3 volts VCC. Upper comparator compares with 2 to 3 volts VCC. 3. Flip-flop SR latch. Stores the output state, on or off. 4. Discharge transistor. Discharges external capacitor when required. Pin configuration. Pin number 1. GND ground. Pin number 2. Trigger starts timing when voltage 1 to 3 volts VCC. Pin number 3. Output signal. Pin number 4. Reset resets IC active low. Pin number 5. Control voltage, adjust threshold. Pin number 6. Threshold ends timing at 2 to 3 volts VCC. Pin number 7. Discharges capacitor. Pin number 8. VCC power supply. Working modes explained. Number 1. Monostable mode 1 pulse. Number 2. Produces 1 output pulse. Number 3. When trigger pin goes low. Number 4. Output becomes high. Number 5. Capacitor starts charging. Number 6. When capacitor reaches 2 to 3 volts VCC. Number 7. Output becomes low. Astable mode oscillator. Generates continuous square wave, on-off pulses. Capacitor charges and discharges repeatedly. Used in LED flashers, tone generators, PWM circuits. Bistable mode. Number 1. Works like a flip-flop, no capacitor required. Number 2. Output changes state using. Number 3. Trigger, set. Number 4. Reset. Step-by-step working, simple explanation. Number 1. Power on voltage divider creates reference levels. Number 2. Trigger detects low signal, sets flip-flop. Number 3. Output becomes high. Number 4. Capacitor charges. Number 5. When voltage reaches 2 to 3 VCC, comparator resets flip-flop. Number 6. Output becomes low. Number 7. Discharge transistor empties capacitor. Number 8. Cycle repeats, in Astable mode. Advantages of NE555 Timer IC. Low cost, very cheap and widely available. Easy to use, simple circuit design. Stable operation, reliable timing. Wide voltage range, 4.5 volts to 15 volts. High output current, can drive LEDs, relays. Versatile, can be used in many applications. Good noise immunity. Common applications. LED flasher circuits. Time delay circuits. PWM, pulse width modulation. Alarm circuits. Pulse generation. Motor speed control. Comment below the video and let us know which component details you want to see in the next video. If you enjoyed this video, as a support to grow my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment to my video, and you can also get every upcoming update about my new video on my YouTube channel. So don't forget to like those. Thanks for watching.